Hello, hello, hello. Sending you all lots of love. Going through some trails in our local forest here. Absolutely amazing. Amazing. I'm so glad that I listened my own self, even though I didn't really felt like going to, I'm like, let's see what happened. Yeah, and you know what? I made a wonderful video with Hawk sitting right on top of the tree there, on top of me right there. So check the previous video. An amazing experience. You never know what is there, what kind of experiences are there for us, and staying in a moment of now with beautiful increased energies, recharged, grounded, being conscious, aware of everything, nature, all the elements, all the spirits, all the galactic beings that are multidimensional. You are multidimensional masters of your own energy, multidimensional, all dimensions. First time in century that this has been achieved on so many big scales of civilization. So many ascended masters are reincarnating into their physical bodies right now on planet Earth. That's why ascension is here now. 5D Gaia, we came here to assist our beautiful nature, this planet, all the beings, all the creations. Many of you are becoming the creators, your own creators. When you become awakened, aware, and it takes time. It's okay. You take your time. Whenever you need to do, you need to do. And keep moving, keep moving. Life is a beautiful journey. And you have only time right here, right now. So blessings to you all and enjoy. Namaste.